Hey friends, welcome to my channel. This is your first time in my channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell that comes right after subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much. I love you. Today we're going to learn how to make these buns right here. Guys, stay tuned. I will start by adding 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of water, warm water, and 2¼ tablespoons of instant dry yeast. I will stir that and then start adding the flour. Flour. I will then cover that and place it in a warm place for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is how our dough looks like. So I will uncover it and start kneading. I'll just add some flour so that it does not stick, or rather so that it gets easier to get it out of the bowl. After that, I will sprinkle some oil on my surface, working surface. Then I'll add my dough on it. I'll place my dough there. Okay, and start kneading. This should take me around 10 minutes. Yeah. Then after kneading for like 2 minutes, I will add some butter on my dough and make sure it spreads everywhere, like it touches every part of the dough. Then I'll continue kneading until my dough is good enough. It's good enough. As I've said, this should take you 10 minutes or more. Yeah, do not rush. Take your time. Take your time. With that, my dough is ready. I'll take my bowl, oil it so that it does not stick. And then put it inside and cover it and place it in a warm place for around 1 hour. Inside, so I just poke to remove the air, Okay, and place it on my surface. Spread it and start cutting it and molding it into buns. I will repeat the same for all my, buns, circles. Yeah, and with that I'll be done, and I'll place them on my baking tin. Yeah. As you can see, they are ready, and I made 8 buns from the dough. And place them in a warm place for around 15 minutes, and then I'll come back after 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, they are double in size, so I just uncover that. Then I'll give my buns a wash using 1 egg yolk and water, and I'll do it on all the buns, like I'll apply it on all the buns, and with that they'll be ready for baking. After 25 minutes at 160 degrees, our buns are so ready, and what I'm doing is I'm applying melted butter on top of each and every bun. This to give them that shiny look and to soften the crust of the bun. And yeah, this recipe is so easy, everyone can try this, and after you've tried, please comment down in the comment section and tell us your results, okay? And if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more recipes. Guys, I have a lot for you lined up for you, okay? And give this video a big thumbs up, do not forget. Can you see how shiny these are? I just transferred them to my bowl. Yeah, and that's it for this video. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this to your friends so that they can learn as well. Bye.